Hey guys, if you've been thinking about setting up your own woodworking shop but feel overwhelmed by cost or space, I totally get you. I was in the exact same position. Every time I looked online, I'd see these huge, fancy shops with thousands of dollars worth of equipment, and I'd just feel stuck. But then I found Ultimate Small Shop, and it changed everything for me. This guide is made for people like us, small space, limited budget, and just trying to do things the right way. It's created by Ralph Chapman, who's been doing woodworking for over 25 years, and what I love is how real and honest he is. He doesn't overcomplicate things. He shows you exactly what tools you need, what's a waste of money, and where to buy high-quality tools for up to 70% off. Before this, I wasted so much time trying to figure things out through random blogs and videos. But Ralph lays it all out: tool lists, shop layouts, safety tips, even lighting and soundproofing. I followed his advice and set up a fully working shop in a corner of my garage. I spent way less than I expected and avoided so many beginner mistakes. One important thing: make sure you get this guide only from the original site. There are fake versions and copycats out there, and you don't want to get scammed. Always check the link. If you're serious about woodworking and want a proper setup without wasting time or money, Ultimate Small Shop is totally worth it. It helped me start with confidence, and I think it'll help you too.